Hey YouTube, what's up? I'm back on, and this is Christian. I'm back on YouTube. So today's video is, I was gonna make a video to find search for quiz, and let's go search right now, guys. So if we smash the like button, and I'm gonna and if you guys smash the like button, I'm gonna find them. So let's get started. All right. So we were checking in bathroom, she's in the bathroom. She's doing. Well, let's see. Okay, guys. So let's go see if he's on. Let's see if he's here. Let's go see if he's at Let me tell you for me. You guys can see. Okay, that's bad. Okay, let's go see if he's like under here, cause he's under here. No, he's not under here. So check if he's over here. Nope. So let's go check and see if he's right here. Nope. It's not right here. Man. Hey guys, see, this is hard. But if you guys keep smashing the like button, then I'm gonna find him. So it's not right there. What could it be? Like this is food. That's his food. So that gives a clue. Let's see. Oh, this is room. See, this could be his room. No, it's not his room. Check and see over here. Oh, there he is. So you found him. You found Chris eating his food. Alright guys, so thanks for smashing the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.